Question number 7. Using theorem, prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of the one sides of triangles parallel to another sides bisect third sides. Given in triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC and P is midpoint of AB. To prove Q is midpoint of AC, prove in triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC. Therefore, remaining side AB and AC are in proportional. AP by BP is equal to AC sides ratio AQ by QC by BPT. But AP equal to PB. Reason P is midpoint of AB. Therefore, AP by PB ratio is 1 by 1. Put AP by PB 1 by 1. Put AP by PB is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to AQ by QC. Cross product AQ is equal to QC. Therefore, Q is midpoint of AC.